already started this project, but I figured I'd just stop right here and start filming just in case this turns into something that might be of interest to anybody. I don't know. So I'm building a little, like a desk, a front desk at a hotel for a skit or play that we're doing for my church and our Sunday school. So this, I had used this before, and when I did my mirror update, the part of the cardboard that has the green tape is what I used to lay out the mirrors to see where I wanted everything to go. But I knew I was going to be working on this play, so I'm just now adding to that. So I cut it down to the size that I wanted. So this is the end of it right here. It goes over to there. And now I'm just gluing another layer of cardboard on top because it needs to be a front panel, and then it has to, like, the sides have to tip in to kind of hold it up. So for the sides, I just put these 2 pieces of cardboard already. This is going to be the side that bends back. So the flaps are supposed to tip that way. As you see, they're doing that now, so that's good. And I'm just putting that double layer. As you can tell, I think that this is the second layer that's on top. This is going to be the top of the desk where it kind of comes up, and then that the piece underneath is going to fold down, and that's going to be like the flat part of the desk where the workers are going to be able to pretend like they're typing on a computer or whatever. But that's what I have so far. Now I'm just going to go forward with everything, and you'll see the process as it goes. And hopefully it's of interest, like I said, and it might inspire you for what you can use to make to use your old leftover boxes. As you can see, I have a lot of boxes over there, plenty more, but I'm just cutting them flat and I'm gluing them down. And this is going to be, I'm going to see if I need to make 3 layers. I might be able to stop at 2, but maybe 3. We'll see. So yeah, stay tuned if you want to see how it all comes together. So I just need to reinforce this part. I'm going to add a little bit more cardboard to the top of this. Then I'm going to glue these 2 pieces together. I think I'm going to cover it with some contact paper. It might look a little weird with the lines. I might actually end up putting some spackle or something in those little spaces just so it could be smooth. But we'll see. I'm going to work on that next. So all the spackle has dried. I'm just gonna sand it down, and I was gonna paint this and try to do some staining and some fancy stuff, but because it's cardboard, I don't want all that moisture on this thing, so I'm just gonna cover it with some contact paper I just got at Target, and it's gonna be like a marble front desk. I'll work with it. Either way, it's getting covered with the contact paper, and then I'm gonna move on to the hotel sign. So in our play, my husband happened to write the play, in case anyone was interested in what we're doing, but he wrote the play and some others assisted with embellishing it a little bit. But the name of the hotel in our play is called the Hotel Noel. So I came up with a logo, and that's going to be on the front desk. So it's going to be like designed letters and everything. So I'll show you that. And of course, I'm going to show you everything until the finished product. We can't put this on yet. Nah, B. We're not doing that. Lather it down with some paint real fast. Okay, so I didn't like the fact that I could see the caulk lines through here, so I'm going to paint over with this white paint real quick. Just one quick layer, hopefully, and then move on to the contact paper after this dries.